Did you ever stop to consider that the tiny, unseen creatures living within us might be influencing our mental health? This might sound like a plot from a science fiction film, but the reality, as revealed by recent scientific research, is that parasites may indeed be pulling our psychological strings in more ways than we can imagine. Dive into the world of microbiology and you'll discover a fascinating assortment of organisms known as parasites. These tiny invaders, far from being mere freeloaders, can have profound effects on their hosts, and that includes us humans. They do this in a variety of ways, and recent research suggests that they might even influence our mental health. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Experimental Biology in 2023, for example, explored the link between the parasite Toxoplasma gondii and changes in human behavior. This parasite, which primarily infects cats, but can also find its way into humans, has been found to alter the behavior of infected individuals, making them more prone to risk-taking and other behavioral changes. The study's findings suggest that T. gondii does this by manipulating neurotransmitters in the brain, specifically dopamine, which plays a key role in our feelings of pleasure and reward. This could potentially explain why infected individuals exhibit changes in behavior. But T. gondii is not the only parasite that can potentially influence our mental health. Other studies have suggested links between different types of parasitic infections and a range of mental health conditions, from depression and anxiety to schizophrenia. Another parasite, the human hookworm, has been associated with cognitive impairment in infected individuals. One study found that children infected with hookworm were more likely to have learning difficulties and scored lower on cognitive tests compared to their non-infected peers. These findings point to a complex and fascinating relationship between parasites and mental health. They suggest that our mental health might not be entirely under our control, but could also be influenced by the tiny organisms living within us. However, it's important to note that this field of research is still in its early stages. While these findings are certainly intriguing, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms by which parasites influence mental health, and to determine whether these effects are direct or indirect. In conclusion, the latest research suggests a possible link between parasitic infections and mental health. Parasites such as T. gondii and the human hookworm have been associated with changes in behavior and cognitive impairment, respectively. However, more research is needed to fully understand this complex relationship. This intriguing intersection of microbiology and psychology opens up a whole new frontier for mental health research. As we continue to explore this fascinating field, it's clear that our understanding of mental health is set to expand in ways we can scarcely imagine. So the next time you think about what's influencing your mood or behavior, remember, it might not just be your circumstances or your brain chemistry. It could also be the tiny, unseen creatures living within you.